Hey guys, today we're going to change the transmission fluid on my 99 Jeep Cherokee. I have this 5-speed and it's the AX-15 transmission. So I'm going to discuss the tools, the transmission fluid, and how to do it. Hey, I'm Steve-O. So I had a tough time trying to figure out the transmission fluid. First I looked at my owner's manual and it said SAE 75 to 90 weight GL5. After doing a lot of research, the GL5 quality fluid will actually eat the soft metals in your transmission. So a lot of people recommend this Redline MT90, and that's what I went with. Couldn't find it in AutoZone, couldn't find it in O'Reilly's, couldn't find it in Walmart, Advanced Auto. Had to order it online, Amazon, bought a gallon, 60 bucks. So that's what we're gonna go with. The other things we need here, gear oil pump that'll make your life a lot easier to fill up the transmission drain pan, ratchet or wrench with a 24mm socket. So now we'll go and get this started. Alright guys, first we're going to remove the fill plug located right here. Let's see if you can see that right there. It is on the driver's side, about halfway up on the housing, and we remove the fill plug first, so in case we can't get the drain plug out, we still have fluid in there. So I already broke it loose. Might need a breaker bar, mine was on pretty tight. So I'm just gonna loosen it. Might get a little seepage out here. Yeah. So we got a little seepage there. Gonna let that drain, and then we'll go to the drain side. All right, now we're gonna remove the drain plug. Drain plug is on the passenger side, right on here. Then again, I already broke it loose with the 24mm ratchet. Let that guy drain. Make sure you don't lose the washer on there. I've seen a few people do that. So we'll let that drain and go from there. I also forgot to mention, there's a magnet on the end here to collect the small metal shavings and etc. Make sure you clean that off before reinstalling it. Drained it all out. Should be about right under 4 quarts. Get that on there. You don't need it too tight, just snug. I think I saw somewhere it calls for like 22 pounds. Just put it on there pretty snug. Now we're gonna go hop over back onto the other side to refill it. So as you can see, my gear pump here was made for a quart-sized bottle, so I kind of had to duct tape it and just rig it, and you're gonna pump till it starts seeping out, which should be right around 4 quarts, closer to 3.5. So you kind of get the idea here, just pumping it. My drip pan below it, so when it starts to seep out, I don't have a mess. And yeah. So as you can see, it's seeping out right there from the fill hole. Got about 3.5 quarts back in there, and now we're gonna go ahead and put the cap back on and tighten it up. Alright, got the cap back on. Wiping it down a little bit. That's how that goes. Alright, so that's how we do the transmission fluid. Pretty straightforward. Takes about maybe 20 minutes, maybe a little more. Please feel free, leave comments, advice, questions, and thanks for watching.